Did you know that the average person spends over $500 extra on flights each year without even realizing it? It's true. Whether it's from booking at the wrong time, missing a deal, or just not knowing how to search smarter, flying can cost a lot more than it needs to. But here's the good news. You don't have to be a travel expert to score cheap tickets. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Flights like a pro and save hundreds on your next trip. From hidden features you probably don't know about to tricks that could lower your airfare by 30%, we'll cover it all. So, if you're tired of overpaying for flights, stick around, because this video will change the way you travel. Ready to start saving? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Unlocking Google Flights, the hidden gems. When most people think of Google Flights, they just use it for basic flight searches. But there's so much more beneath the surface. Did you know that you can use Google Flights to explore different destinations based on your budget? Simply click on the Explore button, enter your departure city, and watch the magic unfold. You'll see a map with options showing the cheapest destinations for your travel dates. This little-known feature helps you discover new and affordable places to visit, opening up a world of possibilities. Another great feature is the price graph. It allows you to see how prices fluctuate on different dates, helping you find the best time to book. In fact, a study from Expedia revealed that booking at least 21 days in advance can save you up to 20% on domestic flights. And don't forget about the Track Prices feature. Setting price alerts for specific routes ensures you never miss a deal. Google Flights will notify you when prices drop, so you can book at the perfect time. Chapter 2. The Secret Sauce: How to use Google's price tracking tool. Tracking flight prices is one of the smartest ways to find cheap flights. Google Flights price tracking tool is simple to use and incredibly effective. All you need to do is search for a flight, select your desired route, and turn on the Track Prices option. Then, Google will automatically notify you whenever there's a change in price. This tool takes the guesswork out of when to book, which can be the difference between overpaying and scoring a deal. According to a 2023 study by Skyscanner, travelers who set price alerts are 50% more likely to book flights at the lowest price. Timing is everything when booking, and price alerts allow you to track when prices are dropping. Another advantage is the ability to follow multiple flights at once. You can compare prices across various routes and see which one offers the best deal, all from your Google Flights dashboard. If you're looking to travel long haul, the price tracking tool can be a game changer. Long-haul flights tend to fluctuate more, so price alerts help you stay on top of trends. This feature also works for domestic flights, where slight changes in price can make a big difference. Don't ignore the power of tracking. It's one of the easiest ways to ensure you're paying the best price. Chapter 3. Dates Don't Lie: How to Find the Sweet Spot for Your Flights. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is booking flights without checking flexible dates. Flights on certain days can be significantly cheaper than others. For example, flying on a Tuesday or Wednesday is generally cheaper than booking a flight for the weekend. A study by CheapAir found that Tuesday is the best day to book for a discount, with prices dropping an average of 6% compared to Monday. Similarly, booking a flight in the middle of the week is often less expensive than flying on weekends when demand is higher. Google Flights makes it easy to explore flexible dates with its Flexible Dates option. Once you search for your flight, you can quickly see how prices change across a calendar. You'll notice that prices can vary by up to hundreds of dollars, depending on the date you choose. A 2022 survey by Hopper revealed that waiting until the last minute to book can cost you as much as 50% more. To get the best deal, aim to book at least 21 days in advance. Booking too early can also lead to higher prices, especially for international flights. In fact, booking 7 months in advance might result in paying 30% more than booking 2 months before departure. Google Flights helps you track this by showing how prices fluctuate over time, so you can choose the right moment to buy. This tool eliminates the need for you to guess when the best deal is, giving you real-time data to make an informed decision. If you can't be flexible with your dates, Google Flights also allows you to see cheapest flights for a given month, helping you identify the least expensive days to travel. Even small shifts in your travel plans can lead to substantial savings. By paying attention to these date trends, you can save a lot of money and still enjoy your trip without breaking the bank. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more money-saving tips and travel hacks that will help you save big on your next adventure. Chapter 4. Departure from Reality, the MultiCity Hack to Save Big. When it comes to booking flights, many travelers overlook the option of multi-city itineraries. Google Flights makes it easy to combine multiple destinations in one booking. This can actually save you money compared to booking separate one-way tickets. A study by the Airlines Reporting Corporation, ARC, found that multi-city tickets can save travelers up to 30% compared to round-trip flights. The key is flexibility. If you're planning to visit multiple destinations, try searching for a multi-city route. Instead of booking separate flights for each leg of your trip, Google Flights will combine everything into a single booking. You can create complex itineraries that span across different countries or cities, all while keeping your costs down. For example, flying from New York to London, then from London to Paris, and finally back to New York, might be cheaper than booking a round-trip ticket from New York to London and then another from Paris to New York. Google Flights also gives you the option to tweak your multi-city search. You can adjust dates and destinations within the same search to get the lowest price. By taking advantage of this, you can create a flexible and affordable travel itinerary. A 2021 report from the Global Business Travel Association showed that travelers who used multi-city booking options saved, on average, 20% more than those who booked traditional round-trip tickets. So, next time you're planning a multi-country adventure, don't miss out on this easy money-saving trick. Chapter 5. Incognito Mode. Why you should book in stealth mode. Did you know that your search history can affect the prices of flights? It's true. Airlines and travel websites track your browsing habits, and prices can increase if they notice you're repeatedly checking the same routes. This is where incognito mode comes in handy. When you search for flights using your browser's incognito or private mode, you prevent websites from tracking your activity, which can help you avoid price hikes based on your previous searches. A study by the Consumer Council of Hong Kong found that prices can increase by as much as 30% after multiple searches for the same flight. Google Flights, however, doesn't use this tactic as aggressively, but it's still a good idea to search in incognito mode to ensure you're getting the best deal. This simple trick helps level the playing field, so you can shop for flights without worrying about being penalized for your curiosity. Additionally, using incognito mode can help you compare prices without worrying that the airline or travel site will adjust the price based on your interest. It's a quick, easy, and free way to make sure you're not getting charged extra simply because you've looked at a flight too many times. So, when you're in the market for a flight, turn on incognito mode and start fresh. You might be surprised at the savings. Chapter 6. Beyond Borders. How to use nearby airports for cheaper flights. A major factor in the cost of your flight is the airport you're flying in and out of. Major airports, like New York's JFK or Los Angeles International, LAX, tend to have higher fees and more demand, which can drive up ticket prices. However, Google Flights offers a simple way to find cheaper flights by considering nearby airports. When you search for flights, Google Flights will often give you the option to include airports that are within a reasonable distance of your main departure or arrival airport. For example, if you're flying out of New York, you might also see options for flights leaving from Newark or even smaller airports in the region, such as LaGuardia. By being open to flying from a nearby airport, you can often find cheaper options. The difference in ticket prices between major airports and nearby alternatives can be surprising. According to a 2023 report by the U.S. Department of Transportation, flying from a nearby airport can save you up to 15–20% on airfare, depending on your route. This is especially true for busy cities like New York, London, and Paris, where smaller airports offer more affordable alternatives. Google Flights makes it easy to search for these nearby airports. Simply click on the airport name in your search, and it will show you a list of other airports within a certain radius. You can even filter your search to show all available airports within a set distance, allowing you to compare prices across multiple options. While this strategy might require a little extra travel time, the savings can make it worthwhile. For example, if you're flying into a city like London, you might think Heathrow is your only option. But by considering Gatwick, Luton, or Stansted, you might find a significantly cheaper flight. It's a small adjustment that could lead to big savings. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep saving money and finding the best deals for your next adventure. Safe travels, and happy flying!